In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rounded corners to a shape in Photoshop. This is a quick, clean way to give your image or shape a softer, modern look without distorting anything. First, make sure the layer you want to edit is unblocked. If you see a little lock icon on the layer in the Layers panel, click it to unlock. This simply allows Photoshop to apply masks and edits to that layer. Next, click on the same layer so it's active and add a vector mask that reveals all. A reveal all vector mask starts out completely white, which means nothing is hidden yet. You'll see a white thumbnail appear next to your layer's image thumbnail in the Layers panel. That white thumbnail is the vector mask, and it's what we'll use to create the rounded corners. Now tap on the rectangle tool in the toolbar. With the rectangle tool selected, look to the options bar at the top and adjust the radius setting. This radius controls how round your corners will be. A smaller number gives you subtle rounding, while a larger number creates more dramatic curves. Take a second to pick a value that fits the style you're going for. You can always nudge it and test a few values to see what feels right. Before drawing, make sure your vector mask is selected by clicking the white thumbnail in the Layers panel. This tells Photoshop that the rectangle you're about to draw should be applied to the mask. With that set, draw a rectangle above your image, covering the area you want to keep visible with rounded corners. As you drag, you're defining the shape of the visible portion of the layer. Release the mouse, and you'll see the corners appear rounded immediately. What's happening is the vector mask is using your rounded rectangle path to show only that portion of the layer, hiding the rest beyond the corners. If the rounding looks a bit off, try adjusting the radius in the options bar and redraw to get the look you like. If you don't see any change, double check that the white vector mask thumbnail is selected and that you're drawing with the rectangle tool. That's all there is to it. You've rounded the corners cleanly and non-destructively, so you can fine-tune the shape anytime without harming the original image. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.